How to make money through Walmart's affiliate program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use and make money through Walmart affiliate program as an affiliate marketer. So becoming an affiliate marketer with Walmart is a great way to earn money online. You get access to the massive range of product to sell at Walmart. All you have to do is just create your account on Walmart's affiliate marketing program. If you already have an account, just go ahead and click on login and sign into your account. And if you don't have an account, just click on sign up and enter your detail and become an affiliate marketer with Walmart. So Walmart, as we all know, is the biggest retail store in the world, double the size of Amazon in physical and online presence combined. So the online presence of Walmart is growing, which is leading to a massive opportunity for those wanting to earn money online selling product from Walmart as an affiliate. The Walmart affiliate program was created to increase the e-commerce side of its business. The more Walmart has blogs and sites promoting its product, the more sales it can make. That is why the Walmart's affiliate program is built to make it easy for anybody to sell its product as an affiliate. So it's a great way to start. So as we all know, when you join the Walmart affiliate program, you will be given everything you need to start promoting Walmart's product on your website, on social media channel, or whatever your affiliate business is set up. Let's quickly talk about the commission rates, which widely varies and depending on the categories of the product you are promoting. But the affiliate program commissions are range between 1 to 4% on the product sale price. So the product categories that offer around 4% commissions are like baby product, beauty, clothing, gift, health, home, jewelry, etc. So these are the categories which allows you to have at least around 4% of the commission. There are some pretty high ticket products categories in the list. If you sold a diamond ring, like for example worth rupees around $600, you would make it around $24 on one sale. So the product categories offering less than 4% are like books, movies, music, photos. So these are the categories which are not that big, but you can also earn like a very good amount of commission on that as well. So within 60 days after the end of the month in which the sale was made, your commission will be credited to your bank account. So this is basically how you can make money through Walmart affiliate program. I hope you find this video to be informative. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.